I'm Holly with Boom Collaboration at the InfoComm show in Las Vegas. And I'm going to tell you about our Midi. This is a compact PTZ camera, but it is a power horse. It does a lot in a small package that's very affordable. So you've got a 10x optical zoom in the lens here and a 10x digital zoom. So you can cover a pretty large space with this camera. You've also got a gravity sensor that's built into it. So if you pop it upside down on the ceiling, because that's the way you want to mount it, it'll automatically invert the image. So very easy to use from there. If you're trying to focus in on a subject that's 30 or 40 feet away, this camera can do it. You also have some pretty simple connectivity options. So you've got a USB connection. You can also power it over the USB. And then you've got a couple of those control ports there. So if you wanted to put it on like any kind of control system, or if you wanted to use our joystick controller, because you've got like a multi-camera setup, you can absolutely do that with this one. If you'd like to learn more about our Midi camera or any of the other products in our portfolio, you can check those out on our website at boom.co, that's boom.co.